Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so the fix runs cleanly. First, check Windows Update and install any pending patches. This prevents driver conflicts. Next, open Device Manager to confirm the fingerprint sensor appears and note its model. This helps when reinstalling drivers. Make sure you have local admin rights and your PIN ready because Windows won't let you manage biometrics without them. Once done, reboot once to apply updates, and then proceed to driver and settings fixes. Explain next. Now you tackle the middle, more complex steps to restore functionality. In Device Manager, uninstall the biometric device and choose to remove driver files if prompted. That clears corrupted drivers. Then download and install the OEM driver that matches your sensor model. Avoid generic drivers as they can fail. Next, open Services, stop Windows Biometric Service, delete any cached biometric files in the local service profile, and restart the service so Windows recreates clean files. Finish by reconfiguring sign-in and verifying stability. Go to Settings, Account Sign-in Options, and enroll fingerprints, using steady pressure and the same finger angles each scan to build a reliable template. If enrollment or recognition still fails, run the built-in hardware and device's troubleshooter and review event viewer for biometric error codes to pinpoint issues. As a final troubleshooting tip, if behavior started after an update, consider rolling back that update or using a system restore point created earlier to return to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.